In this video, we're going to talk about the basic query type available in the Divi FilterGrid plugin, which is available on diviplugins.com. When you first add the Divi FilterGrid plugin to a page, the basic query type is the default query type. If you click on the drop down, you can see there's several other options that we'll discuss in later videos. But for this video, we're just going to talk about the basic one. So you can see the basic one is limited to post only, and by default it will display all the posts on your website. You can limit this by clicking on any of your categories. If I click on the animals category here, you'll see that the posts are limited to just that category, and the filter as well is limited to just that category. You can select multiple categories, and you can see now we have food posts as well as the food filter. So you can either leave these blank to display all posts and all post categories, or you can choose which categories you want to display. There's also other query types or query options available, such as defining the post number, the offset number. These are going to be limited because we're using the basic query type. So if you want to display any other custom post type or any other taxonomies in your filters, you would want to choose the advanced query type. And doing that, you can see you have more options. You can select your taxonomies, the relationship, your terms. There's a lot more options, but it's also a lot more complicated. So that's why we created this basic query type, so that you can just start displaying your post, filter by post category, and be on your way. The only other limitation that we need to talk about here with the basic query type is if you scroll down to your filters options, again, the filters are limited to the post category taxonomy. So you can't display post tags. If you've added a custom taxonomy, you can't display that. If you're in the basic query type, it's a very limited set of options available for your filters. It'll just display all of your post categories by default. If you want to display another taxonomy or like your post tags, then you would want to switch again to the advanced query type, where you would have a lot more options to display your post and your taxonomies. So that is the basic query type. I hope you've enjoyed this video. And again, if you're looking at the advanced query type to display other custom post types, please check out that video and we'll give you some instructions on that.